Hi there! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some beautiful earrings out of felt balls. All you're going to need is thread, earring hooks and a needle, and of course felt balls. First, cut a long piece of thread and thread your needle. Give it double thickness and tie the ends together, leaving about a 10 cm tail. Take your first felt ball and thread your needle through. Next, take the thread through your earring hook down to where you'd like the earring to hang. Secure it in place with a simple knot. Now, thread your needle back through the felt ball so that it comes out of the ball in the same place it went in. Then just tie up the ends of the thread to secure. Finally, thread the needle back into the ball, anywhere will do, and trim away the excess thread. I'll show you that again. Take a long piece of thread and thread your needle with double thickness. Tie the two ends together. Thread this through your first felt ball. Thread on your earring hook. Secure it in place with a knot. Thread the needle back into the felt ball in the same place as it came in. And tie the two ends together. Thread the end back into the felt ball and trim away the excess. And there you have it. Now onto another design. For this I used some little beads, but you can use whatever you want. As before, I cut a nice long piece of thread and threaded a needle with double thickness. And I tied the ends together. Now, take your needle through the bead. And then, take your needle through the first of the felt balls. Then repeat this, thread another bead and another felt ball on top. And finish off with another bead. Next, we're going to thread on an earring hook, and as before, secure it in place with a simple knot. And to finish up, thread your needle back through the bead and out of the felt ball. And trim away the excess. Rethread your needle with the tail at the bottom of the ball. Then thread this into the ball and trim away the excess, just to tidy up the end. And there's design 2, aren't they cute?